Hello students, in this video we learn class 10th chapter number 3. Our chapter name is linear equation in two variable. So first, content of this chapter. Then first is introduction. Second, graphical method for solving a pair of linear equation. Algebraic methods for solving a pair of linear equation. Elimination method, cross multiplication method. Then first is linear equation. So what is linear equation? Then definition of a linear equation. A linear equation in two variable x is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus by plus c equal 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. An example of a linear equation in x is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal 0. This is a linear equation. Then next, pair of a linear equation in two variables. Two linear equations in the same two variables, say x and y, are called pair of linear equation in two variables. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0, where a1, b1, a2, b2 are real numbers and a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal 0. Next, solution of a pair of linear equation in two variable. There are two methods to solve linear equation. First is algebraic method and second is graphical method. Then algebraic method has three parts: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. First is graphical method. Graphical method first is two lines intersecting at one point. Then the coordinate of intersection point is the solution of a pair of linear equation. In this line, mean is when two lines intersect at point, then the point intersection point is the solution of pair of linear equation. Such pair of linear equation is called consistent pair of linear equation. This types of solution is called consistent pair of linear equation, and consistent pair of linear equation has a unique solution. We can see there is a line and second line is intersect, then this point is the solution of pair of linear equation. Second condition is if the graph of system of linear equation will represent two parallel lines, there is no point of intersection, thus given system of equations have no solution. When two lines are parallel, then there is no solution. Such pair of linear equation is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. For example, this line has parallel lines, so there is no solution. And third is if the graph of system of linear equation will represent coincident or overlapping lines, there are infinitely many common points. Thus, given system of equation have infinitely many solutions. When two lines are overlapping, then there are many solutions. Such pair of linear equations is called dependent pair of linear equation. We can see first line and second line. These lines are overlapping each other. So there is many solutions and called is dependent pair of linear equation. Nature of lines and consistency. The nature of two lines and consistency, two linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 is shown in the table given below. If a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2, then these are intersecting lines and exactly one solution means unique solution. When two lines a1 and upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2, then graphical representation is intersecting lines. Algebraic interpretation is exactly one solution, and consistency system is consistent. Second, a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2. Then coincident lines, infinitely many solution, and system is consistent. And third condition is a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 not equal c1 upon c2. Then parallel lines and no solution, and system is inconsistent. Next is algebraic method for solving a pair of linear equation. First we see graphical method of solving a pair of linear equation, and second is algebraic method. In algebraic method, first is substitution method. Obtain the two equations. Let the equations be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. That is first equation. Second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. And third, choose either the two equations, say first, and find the value of one variable, say y in term of x, and substitute the value of y obtained in the previous step in equation second to get an equation in x. Solve the equation obtained in the previous step to get the value of x. Substitute the value of x and get the value of y. In this example, solve the following system of equation x plus 8y equal 19 and 2x plus 11y equal 28 by substitution method. There are two equations, x plus 8y equal 19 and 2x plus 11y equal 28, and we use substitution method. Then x plus 8y equal 19 is equation 1, 2x plus 11y equal 28 equation second. Then from equation 1, x equal 19 minus 8y. We can write equation first as equation third. Then on substituting x equal 19 minus, there is 8y in equation second, we get 19 minus 8y plus 11y. We put value x in equation second. 2 multiply 19 minus 8y plus 11y equal 28. That's 38 minus 16y plus 11y equal 28. Then 5y equal 10 and y is equal 2. Then now on putting y equal 2 in equation third, x equal 19 minus 8 multiply 2. Y equal 2 in equation third. Then x equal 19 minus 8 multiply 2. Then x equal 19 minus 16 and value of x is 3. Thus x equal 3 and y equal 2 is the required solution. So solution of in this pair equation is x equal 3 and y equal 2. The next is elimination method. In this method, we eliminate one of the two variables to obtain the n equation in one variable, which can easily be solved. Putting the value of this variable in any of the given equation, the value of the other variable can obtained. Example, use elimination method, find solution of these equation. 3x plus 2y equal 11. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y is 8. Equation 2nd. Then multiply 3 in equation 2 and 2 in equation 2nd and subtraction equation 4th from equation 3rd. We multiply equation 1 by 3 and multiply by 2 equation 2nd. When we multiply equation 1 into 3, then 9x plus 6y equal 33. And when we multiply equation 2 by 2, then 4x plus 6y equal 8. 5x equal 25. Then x equal 5. Putting the value of x in equation 1, 3 into 5 plus 2y equal 11. 2y equal 11 minus 15. Then 2y equal minus 4 and y is equal minus 2. Thus x equal 5 and y equal minus 2 is the required solution. And last is cross multiplication method. According this method, this system of linear equation, there are two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Then first we write x, y1, b1 and b2, c1 and c2, a1 and a2, b1 and b2. Then x equal b1 into c2 minus b2 minus c1. Sorry, b2 into c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And y equal c1 a2 and c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and divide by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So our third chapter concept is complete.